Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today is June the 18th, 2020. Here to give you all an update on Cardano and let you all see what the market has done since our last video, which was on the 15th of June, 2020. So we're going to give you all the performance of what the market trapper did against our forecast, and then we'll update you on what we're noticing on the price chart, the simplistic way in understanding our language, and as well as our price chart. So make sure you guys go ahead and like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell notification, and then follow us on all of the social media platforms to make sure that you don't miss out on any of the content that we are delivering. Okay, so like I said, the last time we did a video in Cardano was on the 15th of June. And you guys can already tell we were expecting continued weakness to play out in Cardano, and even on that same particular trading day, Cardano was able to close towards the high of the bar. So once that occurred, we already knew that the market in Cardano was not exhibiting that much weakness on the conclusion of this daily price bar on the 15th, right? So yeah, this forecast for us definitely went against us and our expectations of what we wanted the market trapper to do. It goes like that sometimes. This is just another example of it going against us. And if you're still into the market right now, Cardano will be down around 17% in that particular forecast for Cardano. Okay, so let's go ahead and get rid of that, and let's talk about what really occurred into the market in Cardano. Now, the first thing I want to talk about that the market trapper successfully has overcame was the fact that this descending line, it was broken yesterday. Okay, that lets us know that the strength into the market in Cardano, it is re-entering off of what occurred on the 15th. So we're still building that momentum of strength into the market in Cardano. What occurred on the 15th and then the breakage of this descending line on the 17th in combination lets us know that the market in Cardano is not all that weak from a daily perspective. Now, when you go to a weekly perspective in Cardano, you guys can see that we're still seeing a very positive week as well right now in Cardano too. But that's right now. Use this as a timestamp because we still got 3 days and 13 hours left before the market in Cardano completes. So we're not out the woods yet to see whether or not weakness is going to come through. But as of right now, the market in Cardano looks real well to continue to maintain its strength. Okay, so like I said, I'm gonna go back and we're going to revamp our chart. And we're going to create a literal channel of which we're expecting the market in Cardano to trade. Okay. So already this area around this vicinity is where the market in Cardano is going to find some restriction. And we're seeing some indications that we're still in the trend in the market for Cardano. Okay. So we went ahead and created this ascending triangle, what many technical analysts like to utilize in technical analysis, which we don't use. We use language analysis in our forecasts and predictions. So we got this area right here. This is the playground, okay, that the market trapper is going to play. And we need to evaluate visually what type of bars we get on a daily perspective. Okay, so if we get weakness, if we get strength in this playground area, it'll definitely let us know what direction the market is likely to go outside of this ascending triangle. Okay, so generally what we're looking at is for the market trapper to continue to trade this area, okay, from restriction of about 8.5 cents all the way down to our ascending line. Okay, now like I said, based off the 15th and the 17th of June, the strength definitely is still in play. Looking at on the weekly time frame, is still in play. But we have to overcome this restriction area around 8.5 cents, maybe 0.086, before the actual strength can be maintained in Cardano. Okay, so I still think the market in Cardano has a little bit of juice to come up here to 8.5 cents, but I want us to continue to play out the market in Cardano to continue to see whether or not the trap is going to be able to successfully break price above 8.5 cents or 0.086. So yeah, we're going to play the market strength in Cardano, but definitely I want to show you and tell you that if we break below 8 cents I would say even all the way back down here to 7.5 cents, which is breakage below this ascending line, this forecast will be invalidated. Okay, it will be voided because of the weakness that continues to be placated out into the market for Cardano. But like I said, I'm basing this forecast off of what occurred on the 15th to 17th, and then from a weekly perspective, even though the weekly price bar is not concluded, generally we still got a couple more gas in the tank to continue to push the value of Cardano higher. So we'll TP the market around our restriction area. I'll say around 8.5 cents will be our TP. But if the strength overall continues to be maintained in Cardano, I won't be surprised if it hit 9 cents neither. So let's go ahead and play that out. This is going to be our forecast for Cardano. You guys got questions or comments, as always, let us know. And before I go, make sure you always maintain a profitability, and I'll see you all on the next one.